Welcome students. Today I will show you how to execute Spinner in your mobile application. When you open Android Studio, click on Containers. Here you will find the Spinner option. Basically it is used to display the multiple options to the user in which only one item can be selected by the user. It is very similar to the drop-down list available in website application. For example, if there is a drop-down list is present to select a country from multiple countries option, user will select only one country from where user belongs to. So to implement similar aspect on your mobile application, I will take the help of Spinner. So initially I will simply drag and drop this Spinner in activity main XML file. I will set its height and width with the help of design mode. You may switch to the code mode. Here you will find the layout width and layout height of the spinner. You may set width and height from here. So later on I have switched to the design mode. Now my next task is fix its position horizontally and vertically. To do that I will simply click on align. Then I will click horizontally. Later on I will click vertically. So in this way I have fixed its position. Now to see the ID of this spinner, I will click on attributes. Here you can see spinner 5 ID has been set to the spinner. I will change its ID from spinner 5 to spinner. Now simply spinner ID has been set for this spinner. Then click on activity.java file. This is my main activity class. So to implement spinner in mobile application, initially I need to inherit on item selected listener interface on my main activity class. To do that I will assign here implements keyword. Implements is a keyword which is used to inherit interface on your class. So adapter view is the class name, and on item selected listener, this is a interface present in this adapter view. So now I had inherited this on item selected listener interface on my main activity class with the help of implements keyword. Then I need to click on more actions. Then click on implement methods. So see, there are two abstract methods present in this on item selected listener interface. First one is on item selected and second one is on nothing selected. So I am supposed to call all these abstract method of this interface in my class. To do that I will click on OK. So here you will see on item selected method and on nothing selected, both this abstract method of this on item selected listener class have been called in my main activity class. Then later on I will create the reference of the spinner class. So I will call here spinner class and I will set spin as a reference of this class. Then to provide the multiple options for country, so I will simply create here string array. So this is subscript operator which is used to create an array, and I will name country to this string array. Here I will assign some static value to this array. All will be in the string format. So there are different countries option will be available in this country array like USA, UK and so on. So this is my country array and these are the value present in this array and it is having string data type. Now I will assign this spinner ID to this spin reference of spinner class. To do that, I will simply call here spin reference, then I will apply here typecasting methodology. I will call find view by id method r.id and id name is spinner. So find view by id method helps me to locate the id of the spinner which is present in activity main.xml file. Later on, with the help of this spin reference of spinner class, I will call set on item selected listener method which is present in spinner class. Here I will pass this as a keyword, this keyword as an argument to this method. So this is a keyword that can be passed as an argument to the method call. In Java, sometimes this may be considered as a reference variable. Then later on I will call the array adapter class and create obj as an object of this class. Here to the constructor of array adapter I will pass three arguments. First this as a keyword, then later I will pass argument android dot r dot layout class dot simple spinner item, and my third argument is country. So country is an array which I had declared here. Now I will call the set drop down view resource method of the array adapter class with the help of its obj object, and I will pass here argument android dot r, then class name is layout dot simple spinner drop down item. So I have assigned this array to the array adapter class. Now with the help of spin reference I will call the set adapter method and I will pass obj as a object argument to this method. So now I have applied this country list to my spinner with the help of its set adapter method. Now since all these values are going to set on my spinner which I had created on activity main.xml file, so my next task is when user will select any one of the country, so what action need to perform? If I want to perform a particular action after the selection, then I am supposed to write similar code in onItemSelected abstract method of this onItemSelected listener interface. If user has selected nothing, and again if I want to perform a particular action, if user didn't select anything, then I can write a similar code on this abstract method. So first of all, when users will select a particular country like either USA, UK, Canada or India, then I will mention the particular country name which is selected by user. So to do that, in onItemSelected abstract method, I will simply here call toast method to display the message. Then I will call makeText method of the toast class. It is a static method. Here I am supposed to pass 3 parameters. First one will be the getApplicationContext method. Second method is it should be the string value that I'm supposed to apply on spinner. So this is my string value and it is available in country as an array. So I will call here country array. And to display only particular country that is selected by the user, so I will assign here indexing. So now here you will see integer I is a parameter, so I will make use of it. Here I will pass I will assign I as an index to this country array. So whatever the particular country will be selected by the user, its index will get appear here. Then later on again I will call the toast method and I am supposed to set the particular timeline for this toast method. So I will select length long and then I will call show method. Now simply click on run application. So this is called Nexus CP emulator. This device is very similar to the Nexus CP, and here you will observe the different drop down list with the help of spinner I have created. So I need to simply click on this drop down arrow and select a particular country. Suppose if I have selected India, here I will notify the message as India. It means that I have selected India as a country. Then later on if I have selected UK, here you will see UK as a message. It means that I have selected UK country. Then I will select Canada. Here you can notice that Canada message has been displayed. So this is a spinner. You may apply this on your mobile application. Thank you students for watching this video. Have a great time ahead.